You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USDT, Sandbox USDT and Ethereum charts. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Let's grow the channel fast. Thank you very much for doing that. So right here on this chart, BTC USDT, we see the markets around this area right now. See the very big impulse, market retrace, markets go back down, could not create a new low, which supposed to be lower than the previous low at this support level here. You see the market fail. So after this fail, the market break this trend line at this point and hit this resistance and market at this point right now. So if you look at this chart very well, you discover the market is in a range at this point. You see this range here and this other range at this point. So what I am expecting on Bitcoin at this point is a breakout on this resistance line. Market will shoot back up, and my first price target is this very point and the second price target is this area. That means I'm expecting market to reverse at this point if there is a breakout on this resistance line right here. And then if the market go back down and break this with a bearish close to the downside, then the market will potentially go back right down and retest this very support at this point. So that is what I'm expecting on Bitcoin right now. So let's say, for example, if you want to take a position, we are expecting a breakout on this. So a breakout will give the market a nice move to the upside. So if you see a breakout on this trend, then this will be a possible first target on BTC. This will be the next second target before the market will retrace back down again. So this is what I'm looking out for on BTC right now, a breakout on this or a breakout to the downside. ETH USDT, we see the markets have done a great thing here by this very strong move. This was our previous trend line at this point. You see the trend line here, resistance, and then there was a breakout and a retest on this trend line. After the retest, markets go back up and hit this our first target of support at this point here, turn resistance. So we see a very strong significant support here, and then support at this point, support here as well. That was resistance on this level that have already turned resistance at this point as well. So what I'm looking out for on this Ethereum chart is a little nice retracement to the downside, and then market should move back up to this very area. So after the retracement to the downside, I'm expecting Ethereum to come to this very area of our target. So this is my next target on Ethereum right now. We see the market break on this trend line right here. So that is what I'm expecting on Ethereum, guys. I talked about this fail swing in my previous video. If you see market impulse and then fail to create a new low, this was not lower than the previous low. This also implies that the bears are losing the battle that makes this move to happen in the market. So the next move in the market is a retracement to the downside, and then the market should move up to this very point of target. At this point, I'm expecting retracement because this is a very strong supply level. So that is what I'm expecting on Ethereum in the next coming days. Now, the next chart I am going to look at here is Sandbox. If you look at this very chart here, guys, it has done very well. Sand is a very great coin. You can start holding it right now in your holding. In the Remit Trade VIP group, we are holding this gaming token and some other cool gaming token. So right at this point, what I am expecting from this chart right now, although we cannot see a very strong resistance and support level unlike BTC and Ethereum on Sandbox right now, but in as much as that, the market has already gone very much parabolic. If you look at it, this was a volume spike here on the indicator here, and then on the charts, and the market goes slightly up and then it's coming back down right now. If you also take the Fibonacci too, if you take the Fibonacci retracement from this area and you draw from the this very point on the week to the upside on this very point, you see the retracement is already in play right now. But it will be nice if Sandbox can retrace back down 0.50% level, and the 0.618 level will be a cool area for this retracement to get to. What I am expecting right now is the market to go back to the 0.50% level of the Fibonacci before we can see the next move to the upside. If you also see the volume indicator, volume is dying down right now, which indicates that the markets have potential of coming back down at the moment. So Sandbox right now is doing very well, but we also need retracement for the market to continue to the upside very well. Just like in this very area market move, we see a little bit of market consolidation, which is retracement before the market move back up. So that is what I am expecting right now on Sandbox. If you also go to the 1-day chart, you see the market has become very much parabolic at this point, and we should expect retracement with this very spike right at this point on the charts. I'm going to give the signal right here on this channel. Also, I am going to do more analysis on gaming tokens because that is where the industry is heading to, and more analysis is going to come on metaverse token. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Check the description of this and you will see our Telegram group, and you join the Telegram group for free updates and market analysis. And also, if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, crypto.com and KuCoin, please check the description of this video and do a registration right now. Thank you very much guys for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.